Hello everyone, this is from Cactus, C4 Cactus. So in this morning I found this mirror wings broken. Someone broke me. So I saw this one is coming in this hole here. I will show you. Yeah, and it's go like this inside and turn around. Yeah, so you don't need to buy another mirror because actually this one is go upside, one is go more up, one is upside down in here and it'll stay like this, yeah, in good position. But when someone hit your mirror, let's go like this, go maximum like that and exit. So you can find the mirror like this in the morning, yeah. So you only do open, fit here and put back that this one and this one put back, so they don't cost you nothing for this.